Sight words. Read the word twice. Strawberry, strawberry. Grapes, grapes. Avocado, avocado. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Apple, apple. Broccoli, broccoli. Burger, burger. Carrot, carrot. Cheese, cheese. Croissant, croissant. Dumplings, dumplings. Kiwi fruit, kiwi fruit. Milk, milk. Muffin, muffin. Pear, pear. Taco, taco. Pizza, pizza. Sliced bread, sliced bread. Watermelon, watermelon. Drink, drink. Run, run. Walk, walk. Lamp, lamp. Chair, chair. Table, table. Truck, truck. Hospital, hospital. Ambulance, ambulance. Bus, bus. Elderly, elderly. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. Rabbit, rabbit. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, monkey. Frog, frog. Pig, pig. Lion, lion. Notepad, notepad. Vase, vase. Flower, flower. Ice cream, ice cream. Quiet, quiet. Laugh, laugh. Cry, cry. Tired, tired. Jump, jump. Mouth, mouth. Eyes, eyes. Hand, hand. Smile, smile. Tall, tall. Sad, sad. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Candy, candy. Rainbow, rainbow. Thank you for practice reading. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe now so you can be updated on my new video. Bye! See ya!